Hi, I'm Dean from McDurmon Distributing. On this tech tip, we're going to talk about where to find the model and serial number on an outboard motor. This particular motor here, this is a 2004 Mercury 40 horse EFI. The number is located down on the side of the engine here. And this particular one is on a sticker that Mercury puts on these. Sometimes that number gets wiped off. If you can't find it there, take the cowling off on the side of the engine here. There's also two stickers, the one on the bottom, that is your model number. If for some reason that isn't there, on some of the older models there'll be a welch plug located on the power head that has that same number on there. If you try all these methods and you still can't find the number, give us a call, try to explain the part as best you can that you're looking for, and maybe even possibly send us a picture and we can figure it out that way. Also, just to touch on stern drives, usually the numbers for those on the early models, they're on a metal tag on the back of the engine by the bell housing. From like 1990 on up, they are located either on the valve cover or on top of the carburetor on the flame arrestor cover. If those numbers aren't there, a lot of times you can get the number off the stern drive itself. If you can get us that number, that's usually close to what the engine number is, and we can figure it out from there. So I hope this tech tip helps you. And remember, at McDurmon, we're your parts professionals.